Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ullan CLIV1, 2+, or the web client and an account. Once done, create or pick a workspace and set visibility so collaborators have correct access. Then run Ullan thread init name or click new thread in the UI. Choose a template to save time or blank to customize. You do this because proper initialization establishes metadata, permissions, and threading structure, so future steps run smoothly. Now you compose the thread content and configure its behavior. Start adding messages with Ullan thread add message or type directly into the inline editor. You do this to capture context immediately. Next, apply tags, priority, and a due date in YIMMDD format so filtering and scheduling work predictably. Attach files up to 25 MB and mention collaborators with that username so notifications trigger. Once configured, save drafts. This keeps versions intact while you refine tone and details. Finish by publishing the thread and sharing it with the right people. You can run Ullan thread publish ID or flip published in the UI, then copy the share link or invite teammates and set read or edit permissions. Once shared, monitor responses and update thread state as work progresses. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, first check your auth token, confirm network access, and run Ullan auth refresh. This resolves most permission and connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.